Hey y'all, welcome to another WordPress Wednesday. My name is Kori Ashton in San Antonio, Texas, and I have to start the whole video by giving a quick shout out to some awesome girls who are in a code camp that I got the opportunity to hang out with today. Go Cardinals from UIW here in town. I just have to give a shout out to Abigail and all the girls there. Keep learning how to code. All right, for those of you that are here for the video, this is what I'm going to show you today. How to pass something in a gravity form. Pass the strings dynamically, maybe even from what they've clicked on a page. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. See if this is what you're looking for, because I'm going to show you how to do it here in just a couple minutes here. Let's say, for instance, you're visiting this page and you see this particular product. That's the example I'm going to show you. And we want to inquire about this one particular product. And it's this 2030 tempered clear glass. I want to click on that. What I want you to see is that this form is dynamically populated with the actual product name. And that happens with a little extra nerd code that you can actually put inside of Gravity Forms, so it can have logic and know what was chosen, so that maybe your user doesn't have to refill out the information, right? Because you can imagine them having to toggle back now and say, well, what was the name of that product? I don't even remember. Well, we want to make it much easier for people to experience things and to fill out our forms. So this is how we do it. Check this out. We're going to go over here. I've got an example contact form here with a service requested area here, and I'm going to show you kind of the page. I want them to be able to click on request WordPress support or request SEO service. And when they click on that right now, they're just going over here to my form, and there's nothing being populated. So they're going to have to type it again that they request WordPress support. Well, I want to be able to pass over to this form that they're already requesting SEO services. So here's how it's done. You're going to go into the form itself that's already been built, and we're going to go to that one field that has the service requested that we actually want to auto-populate. Here we're going to jump into the Advanced tab, and you want to be sure that this is selected. Allow field to be populated dynamically. You're going to open up this little drawer, and you're just going to give it a unique name. For now, we're just going to say service name. That's going to be our unique identifier. You need to remember exactly what you typed here. That's going to be important as we move on to the next step. And you'll click update. Then we're going to go actually into our, so this is the page we want it to pass over to, but we need to go over to our actual page where the links live. And this is where we're going to add a little bit of cool nerd code. Check this out. We're going to go to edit page. And inside of the link is where we're going to add the extra nerd code to allow it to know what to pass. So just follow me for a second with this. We're going to back that / out, and we're going to type in a question mark, and we're going to remember what we called that parameter. We called it service name. And we're going to say the service name on this particular link equals WordPress support. And you can put spaces over here. That's fine. And on this particular service, again, we're going to back out that / and we're going to say question mark, service name equals, and we're going to say SEO service. And that is our new link now. I'm going to click update, and let's test it to see if it all worked correctly. Let's view the page. Now when we click on WordPress support, it should go over here and pass over WordPress support inside of that one field that we told it to. Let's back up and double check our other one, requested SEO service. And there you go, SEO service. Kind of cool, y'all, right? I'm going to give you one more link that you'll be able to find some other really cool stuff on passing dynamic population, passing query strings, and all that cool stuff inside of Gravity Forms. Hey, if y'all have more questions about this and this is blowing your mind, be sure to check out our whole playlist here on Gravity Forms. We've got some cool tips for you. I'll see you next WordPress Wednesday. Bye, y'all.